At least one thing done backwards every day that I put on.
We're doing dance routines and cheerleading, and now we're trying to work out.
Yeah? What's up, big dog? How are you this morning? Good, how are you? Good.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. Wow, girl.
Good job, Ed.
Woo! Shameless plug.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. Let's do round off.
You're running into it?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Go do it again. Parking brakes in. Okay, now go. Yes. She's my strongest child.
My dance routine?
Let's see it.
Okay, here, let me start over.
VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. I sit back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo.
Yes, hop it. Buckle or else it won't go past.
Alright. Let's buckle. What is it?
It's like an Oreo.
Oreo, is it good?
It's alright.
Is it like racing fuel?
No.
No? It was gross?
Yeah.
Alright. Why'd you let your sister beat you out there?
She did not beat me.
She was lapping you, bro.
She was slow.
Yeah? How fast do you think you're going? Like
This
miles
thing-
per hour?
25.
25?
It says it right here.
It says 0. That's what it was saying when we passed you back there.
This thing can reach to like 30 or 40. My cousin got this Honda from the shop that they gave to me, and somehow in the world, it has this on it. Frisella, my last name.
Do you drive this one much?
Not as much as this one. This one is the fastest motorcycle I have.
I think that might be the fastest.
Yeah.
Can you beat your dad in a race?
Yeah, I'm a better driver.
So you're the better driver, the better fisherman. What else do you beat him at?
If I were probably to race him in the side-by-side, I'd smoke him.
What can he beat you at?
He can beat me at,
Push, let's go, let's see it.
I can,
Strength training 101.
let me help.
Go, 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 go.
Stop, Enzo, I got
Let him help. All right. I really like this outfit you got going on. It's a good look. Crocs, socks, mesh shorts, tucked in, American flag. Digging it, bro. Show me your necklace. Good look. Good look. Enzo's a brand loyalist.
He gave me it.
Kids got it before. All right, let's rock. So we just got done working out. Well, kind of working out. Kids don't allow us to work out exactly. And then we're gonna go to breakfast, run some errands, then we'll come back.
I forgot about Mary's.
We're gonna have maybe go see our neighbors and see if they have kittens. Then I'm gonna kick Enzo's butt in fishing.
Oh my gosh! Yeah.
then-
Just wait. So
And then I'm gonna kick his butt in baseball.
Yeah,
And then I'm gonna kick his butt in football.
You just.
And then we're gonna go watch Enzo hit bombs at his baseball game. And then what? What else we gotta do, sis? We gotta go to bed. That's right. Good reminder.
Dad, last time you said you just threw one little
Can't hear
hook
ya.
because you fixed it.
Can't hear
You
ya.
said 1-0, and then my
Can't hear
next throw, I literally caught a
Can't hear ya.
ginormous fish.
And I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way and get off of this lonely road.
Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? I've been calling out for help, still don't see nobody near me. I'm down and almost underground and so deep in the valley, I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got, I could probably plant a garden, all this dirt I got. Trail of broken hearts behind me from the hurt I bought. Sometimes I really start to wonder if I deserve my spot. Cause I'm just a man who's got blood all on his hands. But does a humble sinner still deserve a chance? Hey, say a prayer for me, I think you in
Step by
advance.
step, I walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm.
A coconut summerberry boba.
Hello,
Yeah, they do. They have a coconut.
Do you guys have a coconut boba?
We have like our summer skies drink that has a raspberry poppy curls in it.
I'll take. We'll do a. You just want the summerberry boba?
Sure.
I'll do a grande summerberry boba.
Did you want like the one with water, lemonade, or the one with coconut milk?
Coconut.
Coconut milk, please.
Okay, and then what size again?
Grande.
Grande, what else for you?
Can I get a grande shaken espresso? No classic syrup. One stevia.
To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Line up a stage and watch it jump like a vandal. Dance.
Wait, I want to see the guinea pig. No guineas. Oh, there's 3 of them. Wait, actually 4. What are their names? One's in there.
Come on, let's go.
Here's a glow in the dark fish.
Let's go. Go in the dark.
Maybe some more glow in the Dad, did we just count the dicks for your sunflower seeds?
Your call. Might as well grab them now. What are you thinking, Enzo?
For you or me?
For me.
Yeah.
For anything like it. Why are all
Painted.
the baseball guys pink and purple?
clue.
It's one in black glove. Who am I in the outfield?
What?
Who am I?
Not me.
He looks just like somebody I know.
I don't do that.
Like this.
I don't do that. You know it.
Like this.
I don't do that.
Like this, ready to go.
You know I don't do that too.
Like this, ready to go.
It doesn't even matter yet.
What doesn't matter?
I wouldn't care if I got it.
You wouldn't care if you got a purple glove?
I just would care that I got a glove, Dad.
My ass. That's not terrible. But I just don't know.
Oh gosh. Just get the dang glove. Just get the dang glove. Who cares about the color?
It's purple. You think they got any bats in here that work?
No.
No? You know the bat that works? Do you know which one that is? It's the one you practice.
Yeah, I know.
Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way.
I bought a line opener and then just this with this.
Can you read it for me? What does it say?
God bless America and all its people too. May God watch over us in all that we do. Wave this flag wherever you may be, and always have faith in our sweet land of liberty. Ow! That's my bad foot. That's my hurt toe.
Oh, really?
Did you know what level I'm in gymnastics?
What level are you in
3,
gymnastics?
about to go to 4.
4? You're about to go to 4? Are you sure?
I actually am.
I don't know about that.
Those earrings?
Are you sure? Where?
My little shoppers.
No, you're the shopper. Oh, we should get this. Oh, we should get this. Yeah. And we're literally about to move. Who knows? Maybe. Well, like, what if we didn't know this would look ugly and we need to redo it, but then we lose a lot of money and then we need food. We need food.
Girl, you are crazy. I'm pretty sure you just made me buy you earrings and bubble gum
I'm pretty sure.
and a belt for your bike.
I'm pretty sure.
Sounds like you're a
just told
shopper
me
to me.
buy something with my own money when I only have 75. Told me to buy a 95 thing.
Ours are real fat again.
Oh, yeah.
They
They all came back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they came back and they
Hi,
were
Miss Mary.
so cute.
Yeah, I got a couple of them in there.
Look at his little face.
Yeah, this one.
That's the mama. She just.
Hey, ow! You're calling me.
I know.
I like it. You hungry?
There's a light colored one.
Colored.
Yeah, I can't get to it. But it's got cutest little ears, right?
Are you going to relish? Is the other got one with this little one? Hold on. He's my
Look at this one's little face.
Oh, man, he's
Look
handsome.
how cute he is.
Oh, that's the other guy. He's handsome.
That one is so cute.
Is it a little boy or a little girl?
I think it's a boy.
If it's calico, it's not a boy.
Right?
It's not calico.
No, he's got white. He's got 3 colors
It does have
on.
some white on him. I didn't think he was a boy.
Isn't that
I
color
didn't think he
really
was.
always female?
I didn't think he was a boy either.
It's a girl.
I think it happens, but very seldom.
Yeah, that might be the best picture you ever seen.
Yeah, right. Anyway.
Side by side, the way before we do anything.
I don't know.
got some bad storms this year in Missouri, so gotta get her fixed up.
Pretty.
What are you doing?
Making cookies. Chocolate sprinkle chocolate chip cookies are good.
Enzo, come here.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to extend this flag. You cannot let it touch the ground, okay? Because that's the rules of the flag. Hold on here. Okay.
What happens if we let it touch the ground?
You gotta successfully terminate the flag. Keep it up. Okay.
So what if the thing touches the ground?
We have to burn it. You have to respectfully retire the flag.
That's good.
As good as it's gonna get. Go ahead, that's good. Flip it. Can't see anymore. I'm old.
How come this thing just got tied?
It'll straighten out. Hold on. Put that. Right there. Hold on. So you're getting there. Right. And I'll take this. Wind it up around your hand.
Okay.
We can't just have all that fishing line running around. So you gotta wind it up around your hand.
Why can't I just trash it?
You're going to. But you're gonna wind it up in your hand so it doesn't get caught on anything. Everybody stinks at that. That's why you gotta get rid of it though. Put it in a little ball. Now take it and put it like inside that cup right behind you. Take the lid off, put the lid back on.
You're gonna be smoked in fishing.
You're gonna get smoked in fishing?
Yeah, you are.
No.
You know
I'm not catching anything because I can't see.
You know how big I that bass?
I cannot see.
Some glasses here pretty soon.
Buddy. It's one thing you take for granted when you're, at least when I was younger.
Wait, you're gonna get glasses?
Take my vision. I used to be able to see anything. Now I can't see nothing.
I can see anything and hear anything. As long as everything's quiet.
Really?
Seriously.
Okay. Well, how long until you tangle this up and I gotta do it again? 2 casts, 3 casts, 1 cast, 5?
I bet I'll catch 10 fish and then I have to redo the line.
Okay. I'll be down there in a minute.
All right. So you didn't even make it 1 cast and you're already tangled.
Yeah.
All right, here, you want me to help you or you got it?
Should have it now.
All right, I need 1 fish for the camera, Enzo. Can you make that happen for me? Come on.
The bubbles are all the fish. Oh, how did I make it?
Are you driving, young lady? Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are they?
Right.
All right, you're being pulled over. What's your name? Or your license?
Poppy?
Poppy? Oh. You trying to fool me?
No.
Did you make yourself some cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell them to hurry.
Come on, people!
Say hurry up.
Hurry up! I thought you were waiting on me, but now I'm waiting on you.
Hey. Stay down. Hustle, 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 hustle. Norm, when he... Negotiating for about 3 weeks now, and he keeps backing down from the card. He doesn't want to.
No, I couldn't grab it.
I know, but I think you're dodging me.
I am. Don't get on your card.
All right, well, still got a couple games going on, so we got this one, and we'll have another one, and we'll head back and do dinner. But I appreciate you guys spending a little time with us. Kind of little. Those are like our Saturdays or weekends. We try to spend some time at the farm. Try to get a lot of time as a family. You know, do our little routine, which is fun for us. Get a lot, you know, get our good quality family time in. Where we might lack a little bit during the week, try to make up for it on the weekends. And then, you know, running from field to field. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you in the next one.